I am Shreeyash Bhakare here. Our project name is Contact Directory and our team name is AlgoUnlock. So, team members contributed in this project are Prathamesh More, Vishal Jha and Shreeyash Bhakare. So basically, the concepts used in this project are graphics, file handling, and header file creation. And uses of this project are this project will help people to get information about unknown people, and also this will help to search by name, mobile number, address, and profession of unknown people. This will also help in situation like contact to doctor in emergency in unknown city. So these are some uses of this project. Now moving forward to libraries used in this project are, so first one is IOString. This library is used for standard input and output functions. And the next is string. The header string defines the class string of C++ standard library. And fstring. This is part of input and output library. Windows.h is basically used to work with Windows API directly from C++ code. And next is time.h. This is library used to get and manipulate time and date information. And the last is conio.h. This is the header file used to provide console input output. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to the demo of Contact Directory project. In this part, I am going to show you admin section of this project. So let's start. Here we can see that actually here we have saved the password 1234, but first of all we will see what happens when we enter wrong password. Okay, so let me enter a wrong password. So we can see that we got an error or a message which is showing that only 2 chances are left. Okay, so I will enter correct password, which is 1234. On completion of loading, we can see that we have got the 3 options, that is we can add a contact, remove a contact, or update a contact. So first of all we will see how to add a contact. On entering one, we have to fill the contact form. So I will add my name, mobile number, city, address, and profession. Okay, so we can see that data has been added successfully. So let's see whether our data is added or not. For this we'll move towards the user section. We'll log in. Here we can see that password is not visible. Okay, so on the completion of loading, we will enter the name of city, and we have to check by name only, so I will enter the name. Okay, so we can see that our data has been added successfully. Let's move toward our second option, which is remove a contact. So I will enter the 2. So for this I will remove the contact, name of city Pune, mobile number. So we can see that data has been removed successfully. Now let's again check the previous data has been deleted or not. So on the completion of loading, we will enter the name of city and we will enter the name. So we can see that data has been not found. So let's check our third option, which is update contact. So I will enter 3. We can update a contact by either by name, mobile number or profession. So I will choose first option, which is by name. I will enter the name of city, old name and new name. Okay. Now let's check whether our data has been updated or not. So I will log into the user section. Here we will enter the name of city as Pune. Now this time I will enter the info to the mobile number only. So I will enter the mobile number, and here we can see that name of the name is updated from Prathamesh More to Pratham More. So let's try changing the updating the mobile number of the user. We will enter the name of city Pune. Old mobile number is this, and let new mobile number be 12345678 9. In this part only we are going to update the profession also. So I will enter the name of city as Pune. Old profession I have entered it as student, and new profession be an engineer. Okay. Now let's check whether our data is updated or not. This time I will do it by the name only. We have updated the name, and we can see that profession has been updated to engineer, and also the number also has been updated.
So I'm going to explain the user section. Let's directly dive into the user section. There are 3 options for login, create an account and change the password. Since we do not have a pre-existing account, so we will be creating one. And then suppose my ID is ravikjha and my password is also ravikjha. So if I'm entering the screen, the loading screen is loaded, and let's wait for the loading screen to be completed. And after that I think the program should be terminated because I have created a new ID. And now I will go again to the program, and this time instead of creating an account I will use the login function. I will put my ID and now the password. Suppose I am entering the wrong password. So first of all you can see that the password is not visible, and again it is taking care of your privacy. And now if I am entering the wrong password, you can see please check your username and password again. Enter the correct data, only 2 chances left. So this will happen, and after 3 chances basically the program will terminate. But since we know the true password of the ID, I am going to put it, and after putting the true password the loading screen is again loaded. And yes, so now it is asking me for the city of which I want to check the phone directory of. So my friend Pratham More lives in the city of Pune. I know his name, I know his profession, but I don't know his phone number, and I want to know his phone number. So what I will be doing is I will be checking the phone directory of Pune, and in there I know his profession and name. So I'm choosing the option number 4. You can choose whatever you know about the person. So for an instance I know his name and profession, so I am choosing it, Pratham More. And the profession, I guess he is an engineer. Okay, engineer. I hope the spelling is correct. No, it's not. Now it's correct. And yes, you can see I got his details like where he lives, what is his phone number and all. Similarly you can change your password if you want, or you can use other functions, other searching functions also. Suppose ravikjha, and again my password is also ravikjha. So suppose if you want to look for a doctor, just select the option of profession and then put doctor in it. You will find the number of a doctor. Suppose I want to find an engineer in Mumbai, so what I will do is I will write engineer, and then I just know about the profession. So I am putting engineer. I know he's an engineer, so he is giving me the details. Okay, Ravija, his phone number is this. He is an engineer. He is living in Mumbai, Virar. So I can contact him whenever I want. So this is the way how our program works. I hope you would have liked it, and thank you.
Hi there, I am Vishal Jha, and my part in the project was to make the load function and we go to XY function. Apart from this, I was the debugger and tester of the program, and we got to learn a lot from the project. I especially learned file handling in C++ and how to write functions in the header files. And more importantly, we all learned how to do teamwork. And we are very glad that ACSES gave us the chance to work as a team, and we are hoping for more such events in the future. Thank you, ACSES. Thank you, everyone.
Hello friends, my name is Prathamesh More. In this project, I have contributed by writing the basic code of file handling and header file creation. So new things I learned in this project are coloring the output console text, and also by header file creation. And the most important thing is teamwork. So I would like to thank my teammates Vishal and Shreeyash, and also our mentors for their support, and special thanks to Team Access for providing us this great opportunity. Thank you.
In this project, the files which are created from the input and output provided by the user, and keeping records of these files, and also making PPTs for project work. This is the work done by me in this project, and a lot of things me and also my team members learned from this project. Thank you.